Alright, you know what? I've been playing around with helium all day. I feel like my voice is going to stay like this forever. This should be tight because it's like auto-tune on your voice. So I'm going to do a little song.
Okay. You don't see me, I'm in your window. You can't see me, but I can see you. You don't see me, I'm in your window. You can't see me, but I can see you. I'm not far away when you turn away. I've been watching you about every day. In the word to the wise, you might want to close your blinds, cause I'm watching you. I feel like we can be in love. I can help you raise a baby. I'm just scared to call you up, but maybe I'm just lazy. I started falling your old Ford down to work, and I broke into your car to smell your old shirts. I'm not a threat, I'm a vet to sneaking around another mall that you go to when you're hometown. I don't know your mother's maiden name and how you got your dog from the pound. Yeah, I know that shit. I know your ex used to beat you until he stopped calling you, crying for days, and I'm the reason that you're ballin'. Stuck a skull in the blender and a soul in the toaster, and I'm using the skin for a coaster. You don't see me, I'm in your window. You can't see me, but I can see you. You don't see me, I'm in your window. You can't see me, but I can see you. If you're looking for more crap that's funny, wicked, that's funny, wicked, crazy, GrassMassRecords.com.